Hey guys, welcome back to my channel.
I just need to check my tape. It's fine.
This week is actually really exciting if you are a Sri Lankan, whether you're Sinhalese or Tamil, because at the end of the week, during the weekend, it is the Sinhala Alut Audada, which is Sri Lankan New Year's. Now, being overseas and being away from home at this time of year, I actually really miss those traditions that we do. I used to love it. It's just like one of the happiest times that I remember from my childhood. I mean, these days we do try and do like sweets and get-togethers and things like that, but it's not the same. So if you're a Sri Lankan viewer from Sri Lanka, I'm so freaking jealous of you. I'm gonna try and do 2 videos this week because I'm going to dedicate it to sort of like the Audadu atmosphere, that excitement, which brings me back to this video. So as you can see, my eye makeup is a little bit different to what I normally wear. This Audadu, the color that we are meant to be wearing is blue. So I thought I would do a blue eye makeup look for you guys. I mean, it's obviously appropriate for, you know, party looks and things like that, but this is fully inspired by Sri Lankan New Year's. Another exciting thing that I want to tell you guys is I'm going to run a giveaway throughout the month of April. So essentially this is going to be a branded product that I love, that means a lot to me. It's basically an international giveaway, so you can apply whether you're in New Zealand or Sri Lanka or wherever in the world. And I will try and post it to you. All you have to do is subscribe to my channel. That's one. You need to be subscribed to my channel. The second one is you need to leave a comment down below what you want to achieve from this new year. Yeah, I think I want to know that. Now, given that I'm asking you guys to do that, I'm going to tell you what I want out of this year. I think I just want to achieve inner peace. That's probably like really broad, but that's what I want to achieve. Like, no matter if I'm in a difficult situation, a sad situation, a happy situation, I just want to have that sort of inner peace so that your mind is settled no matter what happens to you. So that is my plan for the year, to work on that. A winner will be chosen randomly at the end of April, and then I'll just contact you and get your details and send the giveaway to you with a personalized message and everything. So make sure you take part, and if you're not a subscriber, make sure you click on that button. Alright, so now comes the makeup tutorial. I just want to briefly mention the palette that I'm using. It's actually a new one that I got a few weeks ago, and it's this one, which is so freaking cool. So it's the Urban Decay Kristen Leanne palette. I hadn't heard of her, but she is a YouTuber who does makeup, and she's really into, you know, her colors and everything. And you can definitely tell because these are the colors that she has collaborated with Urban Decay to produce. So really like bright, fresh spring summer looks are definitely coming your way using these ones. I'm so happy that I got it. And for today's look in particular, I'm gonna be using these 2 blue colors and this amazing sort of like rose gold color called Corona, and a bit of the 13th floor. So without further ado, let's get to the makeup tutorial, and I'll see you back after that. So the first thing that I'm going to use is Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion. It's just so important because we're going with sort of like a heavy-ish look that it stays on. And don't forget the under eyes as well. Next, I'm using Urban Decay Naked Heat, and I'm using the color Low Blow. What you want to do is build a foundation for the blue eyeshadow that's going to come in later. Get a good amount and put it on the crease, and go beyond your crease as well, just a little bit. And just make sure when you're doing this that you concentrate on the outer corners. I'm also going to use the pointy end and put it on my lower eyelids as well. Next, I'm taking the Urban Decay Kristen Leanne palette, And I'm gonna try this gorgeous blue color, which is called TRM. And just keep going. And you're essentially putting it on the whole eyelid. There's no gradient, just put it evenly. I just wanted to let you guys know one thing. When you put colored eyeshadow on your eyes, especially those that are dark or pigmented, the specks are going to fall on sort of your upper cheek area. Ideally, what I do is leave that bit out and then do, you know, put your concealer, put your foundation after you do your eye makeup. There are eye covers, or you can use like a tissue paper underneath as you do your makeup. So just be mindful of that, and it happens to everyone, trust me. Once you're happy that you've got a good amount, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go again with the low blow and sort of try and blend that in. You can do like an upward motion, which sometimes helps. Now what I'm doing next, I'm actually putting the color Corona at the inner corners of my eyes. Next, I'm going to enhance the eyeshadow that I put earlier on the lower eyelid. Next bit is a little bit scary for me because I'm going to put the blue eyeshadow on the lower eyelid as well. So it really helps if you have a really fine eyeshadow brush. This one's from MAC and it's 268S. Next, I'm using my black eyeliner in Definitely Black, and I'm going to line my waterlines. I'm also going to use this color, which is called LCW. What I'm going to do is create some depth, so take it onto your brush and just do very slight taps on the middle of your eyelid. And you can see that it creates sort of like a light 3D effect. Next thing I'm going to do is draw my cat eyes, and for that I'm using the Urban Decay Razor Sharp eyeliner, and this is in the color version. What I'm then going to do is something very daring. I'm going to use 13th Floor. I say daring because it's like very pigmented black, and I'm going to put it on the lower lash line. And then I'm going again with my trusty MAC liner just to connect the lower and the upper lash lines. Obviously you can use false eyelashes, but I'm going to be lazy and I'm going to use the Lash Sensational Mascara from Maybelline. And I'm obviously going to do my little trick to lift up my eyelashes. If you've got fake eyelashes, then you can skip this step. And just make sure that you protect all your hard work with a setting spray. So I'm going to use my trusty Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray. And just finish it off with some contour, highlight, lipstick, and then you're done. So that is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. This is probably one of the more colorful looks that I've done ever. I don't know, I can't remember. Don't forget about the giveaway, so subscribe, leave a comment saying what you want to achieve out of the year, and you can be in to win a little giveaway from me. So make sure you take part in it. You know, you'll be helping out my channel as well in the meantime. It's a win-win situation, guys. Stay tuned for another video at the end of the week because I want to dedicate 2 videos to this week of April, this week of like Sri Lankan New Year's. So I will see you back very, very soon.